Greece has been hit with a deadly earthquake, and Spain is tracking the damage from a volcano. Ian Lee is in London following these natural disasters impacting parts of Europe as well as other international stories for us. Ian, good morning.
Good morning, Emery. Yeah, we are starting with that breaking news. A magnitude 6.5 earthquake has struck the Greek island of Crete. At least one person has been killed when a church dome collapsed. And we're moving on now to the Canary Islands, where the intensity of the volcano has been increasing in recent days. The mountain named Cumbre Vieja, or Old Summit, has now been spewing lava for 9 days. Another new vent has opened up on the volcano, putting tens of thousands of islanders in potential danger. Emergency crews had to pull back as explosions sent molten rock and ash into the surrounding area. The new eruption forced authorities to shut down La Palma's airport. Rivers of lava continue to snake down the mountain toward the coast, and hundreds of homes have been destroyed in its path, while nearly 7,000 people have been evacuated. And scientists predict the eruption could last weeks or even months. We're moving on to India, where Cyclone Gulab has forced tens of thousands to evacuate to shelters. The storm brought heavy rains and strong winds, topping nearly 60 miles an hour that slammed into the country's east coast. Authorities are asking people to stay alert for potential flooding. Rescue teams have been deployed across the region. Local media is reporting at least one person has been killed and another injured so far. Next, history was almost made in Iceland. It was on course to become the first European country to elect an all-female majority parliament. Officials initially believed women won 33 out of the 63 seats available, but a recount took 3 seats away. Some are still calling it a victory as 6 additional women were elected. Just 5 countries around the world have parliaments where women outnumber men. Rwanda leads the way, with women making up nearly 62% of its lower house. Finally, we are in Switzerland, where history was made. 2/3 of voters supported same-sex marriage in a referendum over the weekend. It now becomes the last Western European country to do so. Campaigners had called it a historic moment for LGBTQ rights in the country, but there were efforts to block the measure. Church groups and conservative political parties opposed it, saying it would undermine traditional family values. And Emery, Switzerland had allowed same-sex couples to register their partnership since 2007, but what makes this significant is that they're now allowed to adopt unrelated children, and married lesbian couples can have children through sperm donation. The first same-sex wedding is expected to take place in July of next year.
All right, well, congratulations to the future happy couple. Ian Lee, thank you.